Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Offices Adda 24/7, the special YouTube series of your LRB subject. Hope so my voice is audible to all of you and screen is visible. Quickly ping me that whether the voice is audible and the screen is visible to all of you. So class, first of all, happy Eid to all of you, and on the occasion of this Eid, the 80% discount is going on all the JIB, CIB and the bank promotion product. Now class, no need to take any risk. You only have to use the code Y391 if you want 80% discount and plus 1% more discount if you purchase the course through mobile. A very good evening Sumedha ma'am, Vivek sir, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the LRB session of the English medium. So we are doing the important questions, but before starting the questions, I just want to say you that our new batches are already in the store. The batches are just like a selection batch which is going to be start from 16th of May. Selection means a quick revision in a very few days. So if you want a large revision of your all the three subject, so this is basically for you people, because in this batch the 65-hour class will be there, 83 ebooks will be there, 82 ebooks are there, plus 189 video lectures are there. What are video lectures? The recorded lectures of all the three paper. So if you want to crack this exam of JIB, so no need to take risk. And if you have already purchased the JIB and CIB Maha pack, so this Maha pack contain every batches. No need to purchase any extra thing. So that's why class, if you are new in this session, first of all, do not forget to like the session and subscribe our channel so that you can get the new notification from this channel. Okay, now, so in today's class, I just want to say you that from the module A, hardly 10% questions come from module A. And if I talk of module A, the two acts are very important in. What are the two acts? The one is the Banking Regulation Act and the second one is Reserve Bank of India Act. So these are the two acts which is very important in module A. Hello Chetna ma'am, how are you? So class, if you want to learn from module A, because as you know that there is a no negative mark, so first of all you have to focus on module C and D, then B and then A. And class, if you read the C and D very thoroughly, so you can easily get 60% above marks in your LRB exam. आज आपकी 7th नहीं हुई क्या मिली? हाँ चेतना मैम, I have done my 7:30 PM class. Okay, so class, so basically from module A, focus on these two acts and no need to learn the sections. What is unclaimed deposit? What is license? What are the penalties? So these are the things which you have to learn from module A. Okay, so that's why from module A, focus on the two acts and just concentrate on the paid batch, because in the paid batch I have already highlighted the important terms which is mentioned in these two acts. Okay, so just do the smart work, not hard work. Okay, now it's a time for the smart work. Now, first question. So please concentrate and no need to give the wrong answer. So class, when the security interest is created in the favor of bank, it's required the registration with dash under the provision of SARFAESI Act. Registrar of company, debt recovery tribunals, registrar of insurance or central registry. Tell me the exact answer. And class, please attend all the YT sessions of your AFB, PBB and LRB, because YT sessions are damn important as comparison to the paid batches, because in the paid batches you are just clearing your concept. Now how to apply the concept in the question, so YT session is basically for that thing. Paristo sir, that question is asking about the registration sir. It's a registration. Why you are saying that is debt recovery tribunal? Why you people are saying B, Rashmi ma'am? It's required registration under which act of the SARFAESI? Rashmi ma'am, why B? I don't know why you people have said me B, that is a debt recovery tribunal class. This DRT is basically to just take the money from the borrower now. That is also comes under SARFAESI, but SARSAI also comes under SARFAESI now. So exact answer is central registry is the right answer. See class, what the question is asking, that it's required the registration with dash under the provision of SARFAESI. Isha Rajiv sir, what the hell you have done? Registrar of company, huh? So the first one, that one, this is central registry that they have to register under the SARSAI. The first one, D is the right answer. Now, second one. If an official of a bank class is removed from the office by RBI, so what he is entitled? The first one is he is entitled to the compensation for loss of office, not entitled to compensation for loss of office even when it is started in the service contract, entitled to compensation for the loss of office, and the last one is not entitled to compensation for the loss of office when not stated in the service of contract. If an official is removed by the RBI, and those candidates who are new in this session, do not forget to like the session class. And those who are new in this session, just purchase the selection badge. It means within very few days your syllabus will be complete. Many candidates clear the exam by just purchasing this selection badge, by a study badge. So that's why this is very important. Class, if the official is removed by the RBI, so whether he is entitled to get compensation or not, class, in this case, just try to understand, he is not entitled to claim the compensation, that is the monetary. You know what is removed? Remove means that something they had done, so that's why we are removing them. So for this one, he is not entitled to get compensation for the loss of office even when it is started in the service contract, because with the RBI is removing that person, so you are not liable for it. Okay, excellent, Praveen sir, good. Okay, now, so class, which of the following is the function of the securitization company under the provision of SARFAESI Act? Okay, to acquire the loans and security from the bank, help the banks in recovery of their loans, to acquire the financial asset from the originator, and to help the bank to initiate the legal action in NPA loan, that is non-performing asset loan. So tell me the exact answer of third one. Function of securitization company, class, in the SARFAESI Act, that is basically SARFAESI Acts talk about that without intervention of the court, how can we just get money from the borrower. Third one, help the bank to initiate the, no baba, this is not the right one, not the right one. Why you people say DRs under this function of securitization company under provision of this one? Why the legal action will be taken by the bank if the SARFAESI Act is there? Ashwani sir, you are absolutely right sir, that's really good. So class, under the SARFAESI Act, the securitization companies acquire the financial asset from the originator. Excellent. No. The exact answer is third one, D, to acquire the financial asset that is kept by the borrower to the bank and financial institution. Why you people say this D, that to help the bank to initiate the legal action? Class, under the SARFAESI Act, no need to take any legal action, because SARFAESI Act is basically that without taking any legal action, how we can take money from the borrower. So why you people say third one D is the right answer, huh? So the main motive of this SARFAESI Act, if you know, so I don't think that you have to give me the wrong answer. Exactly, Panigrahi sir and Ashwani sir. Excellent. Now, the Lok Adalat is constituted class under the provision of which of the following act? That's Constitution of Lok Adalat Act, or SARFAESI Act, Legal Service Authority Act, or the Recovery of Debt due to the bank and financial institution. Exactly, Aarti ma'am. Exactly. So class, the Lok Adalat has been come under which act the Lok Adalat is there? And those students who are new in session class today, 81% count is going on, and the new selection batch is coming from 16th of May. So if you want to purchase this selection batch, it is just a quick revision batch. Okay, so you have to use the code Y391 for the maximum discount. Shimple ma'am, what's happened? Why you are giving me wrong answer, huh, Shimple ma'am? For the fourth one, the Lok Adalat is given in under this Legal Service Authority Act, na ma'am. Why you say AR? Huh? So C is the right answer. Lok Adalat means that is Logo Ki Adalat. Now, fifth one. Which of the following statement is not correct with regard to the publication of accounts and balance sheet of a bank? Not correct, okay? Not correct. Now, the first one is publication has to be in the newspaper in circulation at the place where principal office of the banking company is located. Second is publication within 6 months from the end of the period to which the account balance sheet relate. C is publication only in the newspaper that is published every day, or publication under section 31 of the Banking Regulation Act. Fifth one. Which of the following class that is not correct? Not correct. And candidates, do not forget to like the session if you are here. If you are solving the question, don't forget to like. Elujula ma'am, why you are giving me wrong answer, huh? In this question, the question is asking that which is fall on the not correct, Baba. So publication only in a newspaper that is published every day. So this is the right answer, because this is not correct about the publication of the account of balance sheet in this. No, Shashi sir, Muni ma'am. Exactly. So fifth one, C is the right answer. Teacher, please the question. Good. So Meda ma'am, Aarti ma'am, Muni ma'am, Rashmi ma'am. Excellent. Okay. So for the fifth one, C is the right answer. Now, next question. So class, who performed the function and exercise of the power of supervision and inspection of the bank under RBI Act and BR Act? This is very, very important question. Whether it is SBI, BFS, Board of Governor, or Inspection Department of RBI. Very important question. Very easy one. Sixth one. Who performed the function? This is a very, clicky question. Only you have to click on the right answer. Who see, Yoshi ma'am, who performed the functions and exercise the power of supervision? Dilip Roy sir, Aarthi ma'am, Subhash sir, Chetna ma'am. You people are absolutely right. Praveen sir, you are not right, sir. It's a BFS, that is a Board of Financial Supervision. So because the supervision and inspections are just asking of the bank under RBI and this one. So RBI will be not the exact answer. No, Rakesh sir. The right answer is that BFS is the right answer. Now next question. So action under the provision of SARFAESI act cannot be initiated by which of the following act? Action under the provision of SARFAESI Act which cannot be initiated by which of the following bank? Commercial bank, financial bank, RRB, regional rural bank, or securitization company and reconstruction bank. The SARFAESI Act is not apply. Action under the provision of SARFAESI Act cannot be initiated of the following. And those candidates who are new 9 p.m. important questions of your LRB, and in 7:30 p.m. the LRB question in the bilingual language. Arey Baba, the question is asking why you people are saying 7D1. Action under provision SARFAESI cannot be initiated. Baba, this can be initiated, na? B can be initiated. The cannot be initiated. Which of the following cannot, class? The question is asking cannot. Seventh one, class. Tell me, tell me. Are Baba, financial institution, the SARFAESI Act will apply, class. Exactly, Rajvi to do, sir. Excellent. Satish, sir. No, 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 no. Medha, ma'am, you are right. Baba, exactly, Dilip, sir. Seventh one, C, the right answer. No, cannot is asking, class. Cannot apply. So why you people say D? Baba, D to apply na. To apply. Unni ma'am. Na. Okay. So C is the right answer. Now wait. Which of the following statement is, class, not correct? Not correct. Okay. First one is winding up means closing a company and settling the account. Moratorium means the legal authority to the debtor upon the payment. Amalgamation means breaking a company into or more parts for the betterment. And last is none of the above. I think this is very crystal clear. This question is very crystal clear, class. Tell me the exact answer. Ma'am, now now the SARFAESI Act is, the RBI is extending this act to the RRB also, but right now it is not there because RRB, that's a regional rural bank, so it will take so much time if the SARFAESI Act that's come into the RRB. So that is the only reason. Hello, ma'am. So 8-1, which of the following is not correct, class? Not correct. That is amalgamation, because amalgamation means to milna. That is called amalgamation. Okay. So majority of capital in RBI is held by, class, public, central government, RBI, or financial institution. Ninth one. Hey, hello, ma'am. You got your answer? Exactly, in the RRB, this one, the state bank, government, and the the sponsors banks are there, just who are the just holder of this one. Okay, that is the reason. But now the the parliament is just taking action regarding this one. Okay, now they are also extending this SARFAESI to the this. What is the exact answer? Ninth one. Exactly, that central government is the right answer. Excellent. Now, here a bank is wound up. The holder of a check issued by the customer of the bank having sufficient fund becomes what? When the bank is wound up, the holder of the check becomes trustee, beneficiary, debtor, or creditor. Tell me. 10th one, tell me the exact answer. And those candidates who are new in this session, please come at 9 p.m. daily, which your LRB classes will be always go on. Exactly, ma'am. The Reserve Bank of India, the banks, they will take action. Okay, they will take action. The bank is wound up. The holder of the check, the holder of the check become holder. Now, Baba, holder of the check become not beneficiary, sir. The holder of the bank become 10th one. Wound up means finish. Money, ma'am. It's a finish. When the bank is wound up, the holder of the check issued by the customer of bank having the sufficient bank issued by the customer of a bank having sufficient, so simply baba, the holder will become the creditor now. The holder will become the creditor because C class in the bracket it there that which is issued by the customer of the bank having sufficient funds, so that's become the creditor. Exactly, Satish. Excellent. Class, this is for all days class. Okay, 10 question we have done. Now just tell me your score, and those candidates who want to take admission in the new batches. So here are the new batches. Okay, I'm just showing you, you know, the case study batches. The selection batches is already come in your store. So if you want to purchase these batches, you can easily purchase. Now see that, and class, do not take any risk. The batches are vary for the short period of time. Only you revision of these batches. You have to click on JIB class. Now see class. This is the batch which is already started from 11th of April. This batch is the case study batch. It means 200 questions, case study question of PB, AFB and LRB. If you want to take this case study batch, you can just purchase by using the code Y391. This is the batch which is started from 2nd. Today this batch is start, and every batch will finish before your exam. And this is the selection batch which is going to be start from 16th of May. So the new batch is selection batch, target batch, and this is study batch. So if you want to purchase any of these, just click on batch. Suppose if you want to click on the case study batch, so click on case study batch, click on view offer, and just put the coupon code Y391. If you click on apply, you can see 80% discount is 80%. Excellent. So these are the case, the 50 marks question. 2 marks questions come from the case study question. And if you want to purchase class every batches, because you know we will launch so many batches till May. That's why if you every batches, so just try to purchase the Maha pack of JIB in which you contain everything. Okay, class, and this is JIB time test back. Paid batches finished. Just try to solve the mock paper, 50 plus total tests here. So just try to give these questions. The mock paper will, you know, just boost up your confidence that yes, you have just completed your course. Okay, so those candidates who want to join and class, you know, want to purchase selection batch, case study, everything. So no purchase extra thing. No need to purchase every batches. just click on JAIIB CAIIB, click on JAIIB CAIIB ka Mahapack, and if you want to purchase everything of JAIIB, just click on JAIIB ka Mahapack, because this JAIIB ka Mahapack, 81% discount is going on. So you can see that in this Mahapack, case study batches are included, selection batches are included, recorded videos are there, so no need to purchase any extra thing. And even mock paper and ebooks are also there in this batch. Okay, so just click on this one, JAIIB ka Mahapack, by using the code Y391. Okay, that's all for today's class. Meet you tomorrow at 9 p.m. sharp.